Okay, coming to the physical properties. What is the first one? Density. What is the definition of the density? Mass per unit volume. For understanding the density, I am showing one example here. We are taking three vessels. Every vessel will be filled by the X liquid, that means water, oil, depending upon your availability. I am taking the three different materials of same dimension. Okay, what are the materials I am taking here? First material is porous material like sponge. Second material is the wood. Third one is the some metal. Now I am placing porous material in the first vessel. What happens? The porous material will be just float on the liquid. The second metal is the wood. I am placing the second vessel. What happens? The wood will be immersed off of the pot into the liquid. The third vessel consists of metal. The entire metal object will be dipped into the liquid because of density variation. Okay, everyone understand? Okay, now specific heat. What is specific heat? The amount of energy required to the substance to increase the 1 degree Celsius of the substance. Okay, I am showing one example here. There are two vessels are there. One vessel filled with water and another vessel is filled with oil. For raising the temperature of this oil and water, we have to provide some heat. Okay, for increasing the 1 degree of the temperature corresponding to the water, how much amount of energy that will be takes? That energy is nothing but specific heat. The amount of energy required to the substance to increase the 1 degree temperature of the substance. Okay, then coming to the thermal conductivity. What is thermal conductivity? A measure of the ability of the material to transfer heat. For understanding the thermal conductivity, I am taking the two bodies, body A and body B. These two bodies will be joined with the third body. Okay, the body is the hot body, body B is the cold body. These two bodies will be joined with the third body. Okay, the third body thermal conductivity K. Depending upon the thermal conductivity of the third body, the heat will be transferred from the hot body to the cold body. Okay, this is nothing but thermal conductivity. Next, another physical property is thermal expansion. What is thermal expansion? To increase the volume of the material as the temperature is increased. For example, we are understanding the concept of thermal expansion. I am showing the three vessels. Okay, the first vessel consists of some liquid at a temperature of, for example, 70 degrees. Okay, now the 70 degrees is nothing but room temperature. Now I am adding some heat to that vessel. What happens? The temperature, for example, raises to 140 degrees. Similarly, the volume of the substance also increases. I am increasing some more quantity of heat to the vessel. What happens? The temperature increases and the volume of the substance also increases. This is nothing but thermal expansion. Next, melting point. What is melting point? The temperature at which solid changes to liquid state. Okay, the temperature at which solid changes to liquid state. That particular point is nothing but melting point.